What happens when art, technology, and sustainability converge in a single space? Picture this, a world where artistic expression isn't just about aesthetics and symbolism, but also about preserving our planet. This is the realm of sustainable art, a burgeoning field where creators are harnessing the power of technology to craft works that are as eco-friendly as they are visually stunning. Sustainable art is more than just recycled materials and eco-friendly practices. It's about using technology to push the boundaries of what's possible, to create art that not only speaks to us on an aesthetic level, but also contributes to a greener tomorrow. It's about artists leveraging innovations like energy-efficient tech, digital platforms, and even 3D printing to create art that's sustainable in every sense of the word. This intersection of art, technology, and sustainability presents a new frontier in creative expression, one that holds the potential to reshape our world for the better. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's delve into some real-life examples of sustainable art innovations. Imagine a sculpture that not only pleases the eye but also generates renewable energy. Now this might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a reality today. Enter the world of energy-generating sculptures, where artistry meets technology to usher in a new era of sustainability. Take, for instance, the Land Art Generator Initiative. This innovative project blends public art with clean energy solutions, creating visually stunning pieces that harness the power of nature. These are not just sculptures for the sake of aesthetics, they're functional, energy-producing entities. Picture giant swirling sculptures capturing the power of the wind, or sun-soaked installations converting sunlight into electricity. These creations are not just pushing artistic boundaries but are leading the charge in the fight against climate change. They're redefining what it means to create and appreciate art, where the beauty is not only in the form but the function as well. Art and energy production have never been so seamlessly integrated. 3D printing, a technology that's revolutionizing the art world while promoting sustainability. One of the most exciting developments in the art world, 3D printing is transforming the way we create and perceive art. But it's not just about aesthetics and innovation, it's about responsibility too. Many artists are now using eco-friendly 3D printing techniques to make their work more sustainable. This technology allows artists to experiment with biodegradable materials. Imagine creating a sculpture out of cornstarch or algae-based filament. Not only do these materials break down naturally over time, but they also reduce the reliance on traditional, non-renewable materials like plastics. Moreover, 3D printing promotes a reduction of waste. Since the process involves adding material layer by layer, only what's necessary is used. This contrasts with traditional methods of sculpting, which often involve carving away excess material, leading to significant waste. Who knew that 3D printing could give us sustainable masterpieces? With this technology, we're witnessing a greener revolution in the art world. Art that interacts with its environment, literally breathing life into sustainability. This is the essence of interactive eco-art installations, a fascinating blend of creativity and technology that takes sustainable art to a whole new level. A stunning example of this is the High Tide installation. This remarkable piece of art not only beautifies its surroundings but also actively responds to changing environmental conditions. Harnessing the power of the sun, it illuminates the reality of our relationship with the natural world. But what makes High Tide truly extraordinary is its ability to adapt. Like a living organism, it adjusts to the ebbs and flows of the tide, the shifts in the wind, the dance of the sun and moon. This dynamic interaction mirrors the very nature of sustainability itself, a continual process of adjustment and balance. Interactive eco-art installations like High Tide are not just visually striking, they're a powerful reminder of our interconnection with the environment. It's more than art, it's a living, breathing testament to sustainability. One person's trash is another person's treasure, especially in the world of recycled art. This statement couldn't be truer as we navigate through the realm of recycled art, an innovation that is as fascinating as it is eco-friendly. Think about it. How often do we discard items without a second thought? Now imagine if these discarded items were transformed into stunning works of art. That's exactly what artists in the field of recycled art do. They breathe new life into waste, turning what was once considered trash into masterpieces. From scrap metal sculptures to papier-mâché murals, these artists are redefining the boundaries of art while actively contributing to waste reduction. They are challenging traditional notions of what constitutes art materials, proving that beauty can indeed be found in the most unexpected places. This sustainable art form is not just about creating visually appealing pieces. It's about sparking conversations around waste management and sustainability. Recycled art, a creative solution to our waste problem. Digital art platforms serve more than just the purpose of viewing. They play a role in preserving both art and our environment. This new wave of art consumption, propelled by the digital world, is significantly contributing to sustainability by eliminating the need for physical materials. Picture a world where knows no tangible boundaries, where artists can craft beautiful works of art, not through traditional mediums that potentially harm the environment, but via digital tools and software. These platforms don't just offer a digital canvas for artists to express their creativity, they also grant art lovers around the globe the opportunity to admire these digital masterpieces without leaving the carbon footprint that conventional art galleries do. It's a mutual victory for the art community and our planet. Furthermore, digital art platforms are democratizing art, making it accessible to anyone possessing an internet connection. They are indeed a revolution, reshaping how we create, consume, and appreciate art. Digital art platforms, revolutionizing art consumption for a greener future. Art, technology, and sustainability, a trifecta shaping our future. We are moving through a world where creativity intertwines with responsibility, and the transformative power of sustainable art is evident. Energy-generating sculptures are not only exquisite in design, but also serve an essential function, powering our cities. Eco-friendly 3D printed art is changing the creative process, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Interactive eco-art installations are prompting us to engage meaningfully with our environment. Through the beauty of repurposing, recycled art is granting a second life to discarded materials. Digital art platforms are making creativity accessible to all, reducing the environmental costs tied to physical distribution. These developments, altering more than just the art world, are modifying our relationship with the environment. The future we see is one where art doesn't merely reflect our values, it embodies them. As we have observed, the future of art is not simply striking, it's sustainable. As we embark on our journey through sustainable art, let's shift our focus upwards. Solar-powered art installations, a brilliant blend of technology and creativity, harness the power of the sun to create awe-inspiring pieces of art. These glowing masterpieces, shimmering under the sunlight, are more than just aesthetically pleasing, they also provide a clean energy source. Solar-powered art is not only about interactive sculptures that come to life as day turns into night, or vast installations that furnish electricity to nearby communities. It's about pushing the limits of sustainable creativity. It's about incorporating sustainability at the core of artistic expression. Solar-powered art, a beacon of sustainable art methods, lights the way towards a greener future. With every sunset, these installations grow more radiant, a constant reminder of the boundless potential of art fueled by renewable energy. Solar-powered art, a shining concept for a sustainable tomorrow. Welcome to the age of bioart, where biology and creativity intertwine. Bioartists use living tissues and bacteria as their medium, initiating conversations on environmental sustainability. Imagine strolling through a city powered by life-infused sculptures, where creativity is inseparable from functionality. Envision a world where waste is minimized, thanks to eco-friendly 3D printed works of bioart that redefine efficiency. Visualize interacting with bioart installations that forge a profoundly meaningful connection with our environment, transforming passive onlookers into engaged participants. Witness the transformation of waste into beauty through recycled bioart, sparking critical conversations around responsible waste management. Be an active part of this revolution with digital art platforms that change the traditional art consumption narrative, reducing physical space and waste generation. Feel the glow of solar-powered bioart, a fusion of aesthetics and clean energy that harnesses the boundless power of the sun. At the heart of this sustainable art revolution stands bioart, a tangible testament to the power of artistic creativity in promoting environmental sustainability. As evident, the future of art is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's sustainable. A future where creativity boosts conservation, and every artwork is a pledge to protect our planet. Welcome to an era where bioart and nature coexist in harmony, beautifully crafting a sustainable future for us all. Thank you for watching.